Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're here with this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is Agate black, and under the hood is a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps, as well as fog lamps and an engine block heater. And over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels from Hankook tires, as well as color match handles and mirror caps. This 2023 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making your way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black cloth seating adjustments looking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our medium hands-free options right, which is developing a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking at our center face, see options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area which provides air conditioning and heating for our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this brand new 2023 Ford F-150 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.